Oh, there it is. Jackson, do you want to walk up here? Come on, Jackson. Do you like to play with those spinny things?
Come up this way. Come up this way.
Zooming in. Zooming out. I'm just so when we watch it the first time, we actually know what this thing does.
I can see you.
What do you say, big guy? Why don't you start spinning those things? Oh. Watch out, Justin. Watch out.
I'm right here. Izzy! Right here. Mom, Mom. Mom, I want you to pick her up so I can see it.
Jackson.
Behind you.
It's funny, I don't know how to stop this thing. I hit the red button, it didn't stop. Okay.
And you move somebody's toy that you need to put back because it's a small formula, so you'll be able to find it easy.
Whoop.
Look,
Sorry.
look at the...
Hey, Jackson.
Right here.
What's up, big guy? It'd be interesting to see how the sun does with this because it's pretty bright out. Jackson. Jackson. Over here, big guy. Jackson. Jackson. Smile for the camera. Good job. Jackson, look over here. Nice. God, you're adorable.
Hi, Jackson. Hi. You wave? Hi, Jackson.
Damn it, I'm pressing the stop button. It won't work.